Hi, this is Knex ACR Field, and today I'm going to be showing you basically one of the coolest features about this rifle is that it comes in parts. Okay, where to begin? Basically, you take off everything that's going to cause any strain on the structure. So rubber bands come off first, including the ones that hold on the mag. Alright, take out this, put that there, take out the pusher. Okay, here we go. First things first, we remove the pistol grip, which it's held on by this, so you just clip that back on there so you don't lose it. You take this off here, there you go, and that's your lower receiver taken off. You unclip this, and basically you can put these back on as soon as you've done. You take the stock off. And if you feel like it takes a while to put back on, you can remove the top rail and nothing else can be taken off from there. So I'll just show you anyway. You have to remove the top rail, you have to take off these rods here, which you can put back on in a second. And then just so you don't lose the rods that hold on the rail. Yes, they do hold on the rail. It's a little technical, but you can pretty much see why in a second. Reattach any bits that have fallen off, such as the small rods that hold on the doohickeys. And that's your rail taken off. So you've got upper receiver, lower receiver, upper receiver, lower receiver, rail, pistol grip, stock, mag, rail rods, and stock ejection. And now I'm going to put it back together again, just to show you that it's not just me taking it apart. So we start off with the right, here you can see the fact that I am putting it back together again. I'm putting the rail on here. It takes a little while because of everything that's going on. The rail has to just clip on through the rail rods, but you have to. There you go. Now it's attached back on. We put the stock back on. You just clip that on there. Then the pistol grip, and you just, that just slides on like that. And then we put the lower receiver on. You put that through two little grey connectors, and then clip it on slightly. You take off that blue rod there, and you slide it back through. Attaching one rubber band. Everything's working still. Okay, so yeah, that's my stripping video of the adjustable combat rifle. Thank you for watching.